Hello. Welcome to our YouTube review channel. Here I will give a little review about this product. You can see this product is very good. You can use it optimally and according to your needs. The viewers of this product video show the parts our products can see the product from several sides and from any part. If you like this product and want to buy it, you can click the link in the description of this video, and this product will be yours. And happy shopping! Don't forget to follow and subscribe. You can see in detail